Welcome to the Yard Greeting Business once again. Thank you for all the subscribers we are getting. Today we're going to go over how we made $850 in sales today on May 16th. As always, we're going to refresh the page to show you guys this isn't any inspect element. This isn't any fakery. We're going to go back to May 16th since it's just over 12 o'clock, and here we are at 8:51, and we are down from yesterday at 1900. So wait, actually, yeah, May 16th to May 17th. So we did make a lot of money yesterday, 1900 compared to today. Should do a video on that day yesterday, which I always can do, but we'll just go over today. We have specifically 10 payments that came in today, 10 new customers in here. Sorry, I'm just kind of looking over everything for the day up here. Yesterday, yeah, 851, today 0, since it is 1204 where I'm at. And yeah, so we're kind of gonna go over simply how we did it, and you can actually see all of the orders in here. Just getting orders from, let me see, where does it start at? I believe it's, yep, so all the way from, as you can see here, 7:14 a.m. that was this morning, 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 10 a.m., 10 a.m., 1 a.m., 1 p.m., 1 p.m. Just, it just goes all day. That's the beauty of it. Just insane, man. So, we're going to pull up our handy whiteboard. Boom, boom. Don't have a login. Okay. And we're just going to go over the simple strategy that we use and that you will get when you franchise us. So step one, we have multiple sources of ads going. So we're just going to write ads right up here, and we're going to kind of branch it out. So we have Facebook, boom, and we're running about 50 a day on that. So, we have our Facebook ad with our sign, boom. With our signs on it. We have IG. This also is basically a part of this. Like, these two are one. So same thing over here. And then we have another ad that we do down here that I'm not going to go completely in depth with. Just because, we want to keep some stuff proprietary to the franchisees. We're not going to give all the information out for free to people watching, but people that do franchise with us and partner with us, you are going to get access to all of this. But we have another ad that we run right here on another platform that we do, how much do we do? I believe we do 80 a day on that. And so you have these ads running, to tons of people, and you have all these, you have all these eyeballs seeing it. They're like, oh, you have people that, they have their brain up here and they're thinking, I want to search for a happy birthday yard sign. And so when you get all of this over here, all this is going to equal clicks. Okay, guys, this over here, all this over here, ads stands for advertising, stands for marketing, okay? All this over here that we run, boom, it's going to get the clicks. I believe today we probably got easily 100 plus clicks, probably closer to 200, I'm not 100% sure, but even if we just had 100 clicks on that, we did get so 100 plus clicks, and then you divide that by the 10 orders that we got, and it came out to be 851 in total sales. So you subtract all the cost over here. So let's say we have 130 for boom boom, have 130 for the cost over here, plus let's say the employee that we have out equals, okay, so we're going to take the 851, and if you don't have an employee and you do just don't mind doing the work, going to put the signs out, you're going to keep a big chunk of this. You're going to have 851 minus just your ads, so 750, so you'll have we can actually do both scenarios. We can do minus 130, and then we can do the 851 minus 230 if you had an employee. So this one would be 1 minus 0, 1, 2, 6, and this one would be 1, 2, 7. So this one, you know, all this number is with having an employee. So, you know, it's going to be a little lower. You're going to have, you know, to pay your employee. You know, this number, you're doing the work, you're getting a little bit more money. In our eyes, though, you know, the bigger you grow as you scale, you know, 6 to 8 months, 10 months in, you know, you have a lot of capital saved away, then, you know, it's a no-brainer to pay the employee $100, say, to go do the work for you. You know, if you're getting 10 orders, give, you know, $100 out of the 10, give one of those orders to your employee, you know, pay them good, take care of them, and then they're going to take care of you. You know, pretty much what we did today to get what we got, you know, it's not just us hoping that we're getting orders. You know, we're running specific ads to specific, you know, demographics, and, you know, it's getting us tons of orders. You know, that's an average day for us. You know, on bigger days, you know, we can make, you know, 1,000, 1,200, 1,300. On slower days, you know, it's 500, 600, 700. You know, 800, 900 is, you know, the medium mark where, you know, it's nice getting those. But, you know, it's essentially just, you know, having the ad, and then, you know, the ad, they go to your website, you know, and, you know, they place the order, and boom, you know, that's all it is. And, you know, I can make it look very simple on here, but it's really not that simple. You know, you have to, if you've watched the other videos, you know, you have to have a plus website that, you know, when you have your A plus advertising and it gets them to your site, they can just easily funnel to, boom, a sale. You know, a lot of people, the site isn't A plus, you know, they may run some average ads even, and then, you know, if the ad doesn't get them to the site, you're paying for that, so that doesn't work. But when you get them to the site, you know, it's like 2 steps almost. You know, step 1, step 2, and that's going to equal your boom. And so you have the A plus, boom, this is a clean ad, you're targeting the right people, you have everything worded correctly, you're advertising in the right spaces, get them to the A plus website. I mean, this is also a huge factor into it. You know, a lot of people, they have the crappy websites, and it's like, you know, with us, you're going to get this A plus website. You're going to get the exact website copy that we use and the exact ads. And, you know, it makes it just so easy to where they just, boom, come to the site. So easy, boom, you get the sale. And, you know, today we basically had, you know, 10 people just come onto our site and just, boom, go to here. And, you know, each one was around $99 actually, but we're running a discount, so I believe it was like $80. So that's why it did come out to $851 total, you know, tax, maybe some add-ons or stuff like that. But that's essentially, you know, what we did to make 851 in sales today. You know, if you like this and it sounds good to you, you know, give us a try, franchise us. You know, we're going to take care of you. We're going to give you everything that we use. You're going to have the exact same setup, and it's just a no-brainer to where, you know, you're just over here and you just think, okay, I have my scale of, you know, $20 and $100, and, you know, what do I want to put it at? You know, that's all it essentially is. You know, if you put it over here, you're going to get lower orders. If you put it over here, spend more per day, you're going to get more people to come to the site, and then you're going to get more orders right here. So, like I said, this is Damon again with yardgreetings.com and yardgreetingbusiness.com. You know, if you want to franchise us, you know, go ahead and pull that trigger, take that leap, and you're going to appreciate everything that you get. You're going to like the new money that you're getting. And, you know, like we said, you're going to get everything that we're using, all the exact ad copy, everything, website copy. So, yeah, go out there and kill it. And the franchisees that we do have, you know, glad you guys decided to run with us. And, you know, we will get some testimonial videos up, you know, showing some of the happy franchisees and them talking about the money they've made and how happy and appreciative they are. But anyways, thanks for watching the video, and peace